gorgeous as we unveil a captivating collection of handmade knitted sweaters